This is the rear pump. Unfortunately, the video that I had just showed my hand in the way of replacing this. Right here is where the water line connects for the window washer, for the rear window washer. This part here fits into that rubber grommet, and there's the electrical connection, and this tab up here on top that snaps into the tab on the washer reservoir. As you can see, there is two pumps here. The one for the rear is the green one, and the one for the front is marked in blue, and they are two different part numbers. This is the old rear washer pump. There is a crack in the housing right there that caused it to leak and all the washer fluid to leak out. So you can see this pump is marked rear. We'll take a pick and remove the rubber grommet since the new pump came with one. I'll reinstall the new grommet, just push it into place. Now I'll replace the pump and snap it into the holder and connect the electrical connection. Now with it into the grommet, we'll go and push it in that tab into the tab on the reservoir. Now that it's fully seated and locked into the reservoir bottle, we will take and connect the water line to it and connect the electrical connection, and we're all done.